Hi everyone, it's Blondie here. Whose birthday is it? It's mine and I'm 52. Yeah, and I'm just showing you my wig install. Yes, that's the bald cap method I do. If you book a one-on-one class with me or my master webinar, and yes, in this lockdown, yeah, we've all had to start doing webinars and online classes. But if you book that with me, I can show you in more details how I perfect that and show you my little secrets and tips. And yes, the wig is on, and I'm doing the mouth with the scarf on the front of it with the elastic band, and I'm doing the next thing, lashes. I hate them. Yep, it's giving me problems. And now I'm on to my contouring, and I'm just beating that, basically just getting all the contouring sections going on, and I'm not going to go into no details because, as you'll see later, I am not a makeup artist. Yeah, birthday drink, because this was it the day before or the night before? Or the day before or the night before my birthday. So yeah, it's taken me a while to edit this. So yeah, now I'm just checking my edges, checking that, yeah, everything's fine. Now I'm going to be baking. And now fiddling with my hair and getting it all right. And that's the hot comb I'm using. Just checking the back that it's all secure. More hot comb. And just getting everything right on my face. Oh yes. And here it is, the last little bit now. Just KK must have been bothering me for something. That's top model KK. Bit of lippy, last little bit. And yes, I'm ready. Hi everyone. Yeah, there's my birthday look. 52 tomorrow. I done it in store as well as putting on my makeup. Now, you see with me makeup, for me to do it really good, I'm gonna sit down for hours, and I ain't got time for that. And I've been saying so to myself. I think I took about 2 hours to do all of this. Not bad. Yeah, it's my birthday tomorrow. Yeah, 52. 52. Yeah, I'm playing a bit of Kano, but you know it's not going to be allowed on, so I'm going to have to put other music on top, so I do apologise for that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I watch this 52-year-old. Thank you. Bye. Good morning. I just thought I'd show you how I woke up. Yeah, it's the day of my birthday, and I did this yesterday. And I'm just going to add this to the video, so I'm just going to go get a brush and show you quickly how I bring it all back. Okay, I'll get my brush, my comb, maybe some mousse, and I might need a little tidy, but that's upstairs, so you might not get to see that, but I don't know yet if I'm tying down anything, so let's just bear with me. So, bear with me for now. So I'm here just basically freshening up the wig, as you saw before and explained, and it's a third day wearing. And anyone who's got any problems or need any help with styling your wigs, I'm willing to do online, video to video, WhatsApp, whatever your choice is. What do you think? Not too bad for the day after, the pre-birthday look. Just need to go on this a bit more. Bear with me. I've got it. Yeah, this is the day after. I wanted to show you how it looks the day after, when what they would say the 24 hours after putting your bald on. And it's my birthday. I'm 52 today, so just 1 minute, let me get a call. Bear with me. Well, more bush, more like. I just want to flatten that bit here. There. That's it. Okay. I want it. Let me get this bit. because I've got such a little tiny head. Okay, this was originally my pre-birthday look, and now it's the day of my birthday, May the 20th, 1968. I'm 52, and this is the end look. Yeah, my son in the background playing some music, but I'll be editing and all that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. You know, it'll make this 52 years day, and like and share. And thank you for watching. Bye.